done.
Wow.
Good job, like Mama, oh.
Against the Standard Oil Trust account of its unreasonable business practices, which are in violation of the Sherman
Bigyan mo.
Antitrust Act. The Standard Oil
Good
Trust
Give,
job.
tita.
Good job. Thank you.
broken up within 6 months.
Wow.
Good
Yum,
job.
yum.
Good job. Ang tanawa, kaya niya na, ha?
Ang mga taga-dito, ginatinaalan nila. Ginatinaalan nila magkakasin. Bo, kabaluso.
Wow.
Matao ko, may mga sambal na tiyan na.
Mga
May mga
bata.
spicy. Mga Indonesia, nakakaula rin nakatumbal, tugmay. Kaya muna sila yung mundo, nag-blend ako ito yung
Training.
training nila.
Look, Lola.
Para ako lumaan.
Siya lang. Ayan, eating with a spoon na. Saan? Wow.
Show, Lola.
Most of all, Henry Ford. Ford owns the
Good job.
after the powerful auto cartel charged him with breaching their patent
Eat some more.
Alisa.
and tried to shut it down. It's a potentially life-changing moment, not just for Ford,